So good evening class 11th. So now we are up to the next section of sequence and series, and this is the topic, last topic, miscellaneous series. Okay, so in these types of series we have a few new types of series. See, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till n, and second is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up till n square, and this is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up till n cube. So today we will learn how to take the sum of these series. Okay, so first is the sum of the first n natural number, which is this one. The sum of first n natural number. We have to find the sum. So let Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till n. Now if you see this is clearly an AP with a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 1. Okay, so here the sum will be n upon 2 a plus l. Okay, so a is 1 and last term is n here. This is n upon 2 1 plus n. So this is Sn is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so children, here one new thing is there, that Sn we will be denoting by sigma k is equal to 1 to n k. Okay, so see how it works out. This is summation, means addition of all things. So first put k is equal to 1, you will get here 1. Okay, you will get here 1. Then put k is running from 1 to n. So for k is equal to 1, we will get 1 here. Then summation is here, so we will put plus. So for now k is equal to 2, that will be 1 plus 2. Then k is equal to 3, that will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then at last it will be n here. It will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. So this will be denoting by sigma k is equal to 1 to n k. The value will be n plus 1. Okay. Okay, so next one is sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Okay, this is your second one. Squares of first natural number, that is Sn is equal to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up till n square. Okay, so here we'll use identity, any one identity involving the square of these terms. Okay, so now we are using this one, k plus 1 square minus k minus 1 k square is equal to 3k square plus k. This all is equal to this one. So this is true. So now what we do, see, we put the value of k from 1 to n here. So for n is equal to 1, we will get here 1 and 1 plus 2, 2 square. Then 1 minus 1, 0 and 1, 1 square. Like this, here will be 3, k is equal to 1, 1 square plus 1. Then n is equal to 2, we will get this. N is equal to 3, we will get this. Continuing this way, k is equal to n, we will be getting this thing here. Okay, so this we got by putting the values 1 2 3 4 n. Now see children, now add column wise. We'll be adding like this, like this, like this. Okay, so just see here, this is 1 into 2 square and it is 1 into 2 square here negative. Then it is 2 into 3 square, then it is 2 into 3 square negative. Okay, so what will happen in adding all these terms? This term will be cancelled by this term. This term will be cancelled by this term. This term will be cancelled by this term. And some term here will be cancelling this term also. Okay, so what we are left with, this term, this is not cancelling. Okay, so because here the series ends, so n plus 1 whole square, and this term is left 0 into 1 square. Okay, this will be cancelled by some term here. So, and this is 3 3 3 common, we'll get here in bracket 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up till n square, and plus we'll get here 1 2 3 up till n. Okay, so now this is n plus 1 whole square, gone 0. So this we will write 3 the outside, this will write sigma k square. Okay, sigma k square, k is equal to 1 to n. Then this will be written as sigma k as we have done above. Okay, So now this is 3 sigma k square is equal to n plus 1 whole square minus sigma k. Put the value of sigma k here. We have got upward. This is n plus 1 whole square minus the value of sigma k here is see n plus 1 by 2. This is n plus 1 by 2. Solving we get here n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 2. Okay, and 3 is left here. So what we'll get, Sn is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to n k square. 3 will come here, 3 to just 6. So n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6. So sum of the squares of n natural number will be denoted by sigma k square. The value will be this much. Okay. Now sum of cubes of first n natural number. So this is cube, sum of cubes. Sn will be 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up till n cube. Now here we are using this identity k square k plus 1 whole square minus k minus 1 whole square k square is equal to 4k cube. Okay. So now again put k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till n. We are having like this here, here. Okay. So now again adding column wise. So what we get here, see this term will be cancelled by this term. This will be cancelled by this term. This will be cancelled by this term, and by some term this will be also cancelled. Okay. So we'll be left with this term. So we are left with this term and the one term here 0 1 square. So this is here. Then here we are having 4 4 4 common. So 4 is common. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up till n cube. Okay. So now this is n square n plus 1 square is equal to 0. This is 4. This is sigma k cube. Okay. This thing I have written sigma k cube. So 4 into sigma k cube is equal to n square n plus 1 whole square, and so Sn will be equal to, it is all going Sn for Sn only. So Sn will be equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to n k cube is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. So this is the sum of cubes of unnatural numbers. Okay. Now on the basis of this some questions are there. To find the sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is this much, means an is given. So an will be n plus 1 n plus 4, that sums up to n cube 5n square plus 4n. So children, this is here you are getting the an. Okay, and you have to find the sum. The sum means this is an. So when we add a1 a2 a3 a4 a5 a6, then that will be Sn. So for that Sn will be equal to what? Means all we have to add from 1 to n, all an. So this will be k is equal to 1 to 3 sigma k cube. Okay. Then as you put here k is equal to 1 to 1, and k is equal to 2 to 2 cube, and 3 cube, 4 cube, then n term will be n cube like this. Okay. This is 5. This will be sigma k square. Okay. You go on putting here, you will be getting 1 to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square up till n square here. Then 4, and this will be sigma k. Now put all the values here. This is k cube we have already taken out. N plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 5. Sigma k square we know this is, and sigma k we know this is. So solving you get the value here. This is all solving will come here. So this is your answer. Okay. Now next question is sum of the series 1 into 2 into 3 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 3 into 4 into 5. See, this is the multiple of terms. So here we have to analyze how the series is moving. So see, first we have to find its nth term, then we'll go for the sum. Okay. So in nth term, see, it will be 1 2 3, the next will be 4. So nth term will be nth term of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then into 2, 3, 4. Then nth term of 2, 3, 4. Then see 3, 4, 5. That will be nth term of 3, 4, 5, etc. All multiples will be there. So nth term of 1, 2, 3, which is an AP, that will be A plus n minus 1D. This is also AP, so A plus n minus 1D. This is also AP, so A plus n minus 1D. So we are left with this. So this is your AN. Now multiply all this. So we get N is equal to N cube, 3n square plus 2n. So Sn will be equal to sigma K cube, 3 sigma K square plus 2 sigma K here. Okay. In the value of Sn, put the value of K cube, K square and K. Okay. So we get here this thing. So children, these are the few questions I have done for you. Now you have to do by yourself to get the clear idea about these. Okay. Now see one more. Find the sum of first n terms of series 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus this. So here An is equal to, it will be C. The nth term will be nth term will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n here. Okay. So this is simple. AP, so n will be n plus 1 by 2. So this is your An. Now Sn will be half sigma K square plus sigma K. Okay. Now put the value of sigma K square and sigma K. On solving, we'll be getting answer yes. Right. Then it was the next question. Sum of first n terms of series. The series 1 cube upon 1, 1 cube plus 2 cube upon 1 plus 3, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube upon 1 plus 3 plus 5. So this, its nth term will be, children, see, it is moving in order. So nth term will be 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube up till n cube, like this. And this will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like this up till n terms. So this is your An. This is An. Now simplify this. So you get here 1 upon 4 n plus 1 square. Okay. So this is 1 upon 4 n square plus 2n plus 1. So Sn will be 1 upon 4. This will be sigma K square. This will be 2 sigma n. This is only sigma 1. Okay. So put the value of K square, sigma K, and sigma 1 is equal to n. Remember, I written here. So put all the value. Check for yourself. The answer will be this one. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Try the questions. Tell me if any problem is there.